Industries, increasingly complex, increasingly energy guzzling. Managing machines for productivity and output is challenging, and managing energy is the key.
So how about implementing a check in real time?
That's what is increasingly in RTMS, or Real-Time Monitoring System. It enables keeping a watch on machines real-time and ensures operational excellence through regular monitoring, predictive maintenance, higher utilization and energy-efficient production.
Real-time monitoring system helps the unit to accurately monitor the production process and corresponding energy consumption on a real-time basis. Based on the feedback received, immediate corrective actions can be taken, optimizing plant's energy consumption and enhancing efficiency.
This sheet metal forming industry employs complex production process, multiple machines dependent on each other. Now, RTMS is replacing manual supervision of machines. Adopting real-time monitoring system has helped the unit to organize their process, save significant energy and achieve cost competitiveness in production. The prime components are sophisticated sensors, energy meters and counters, and software-based analytical tools. Sensors extract and transmit data from machines through infrared-based transmission. A receiver receives data at user interface end. The data is fed into a computer system. A software-based analytical tool analyzes and provides data visualization. Individual system health, performance and energy consumption are constantly shown. RTMS enables real-time corrective measures. Real-time monitoring system helps meet the following production goals: optimum operational efficiency, higher utilization from plant, longer equipment life, optimized energy usage, higher manpower efficiency. Real-time monitoring system with process optimization can help save 3 to 5% in the annual bill.
My electricity consumption has gone down by 5 to 10%. Productivity has improved, machines productivity has improved in a way, and the number of people working on a machine have become less. I can see my real-time monitoring system on my laptop. I can see number of machines, I can see how they are working, for how much time they have stopped, how much time they have worked. We have the data and we are analyzing the data and working on that. So in a way, the expenses have really come down. Not only the electrical expenses, but even the operational expenses.
The system needs to be designed, customized to the individual plant requirement. Proper functioning of the sensors and ensuring data connectivity would be the most important part of the process. Sensors need to be regularly monitored and calibrated to perform at desired level. The system also requires additional skilled manpower for operation and maintenance. Various system integrators are available locally to design and implement RTMS system. RTMS enables constant monitoring and immediate corrective measures. It cuts down maintenance time and allows predictive measures. This saves breakdowns and finally saves cost.
With growing competition, effective resource utilization is the need of the hour. To ensure sustainable development, all SMEs should come out of the traditional mindset, walk a step ahead, and implement real-time monitoring system, thereby ensuring productive environment.